Well, hi there, everybody, and good Friday morning to meteorologist Travis Klindeski here. As we take a look at your forecast for today, we have some scattered showers and storms around the Tri-Cities area, south central Nebraska. As I'm speaking here, we'll keep that chance going as we go through the morning hours as that slowly moves off to the east and northeast. We did have some severe weather during the 4 and 5 o'clock hour, but they did weaken. But there's still some lightning, some small size hail with that. Best chances of rain will probably be in the morning, and then maybe some drizzle in some spots too, and then the chance goes down. But one thing I do point out, look at those clouds really holding tough today in central and especially eastern Nebraska, and where those clouds hold tough, it's going to be a struggle to warm. Now, thankfully, it's mild already this morning, so it's not like it's going to be a chilly day or anything like that, but it will be warmer the farther west and southwest you go, as the sunshine that works its way out will help to warm things up in those locations. We may get a little bit of sun towards the very end of the day here. Watch between about 5 and 8 o'clock here in the Tri-Cities. Maybe a few peaks of sun, but then the sun goes down. Chance of rain and thunderstorms is going to be possible this evening and overnight tonight. You're not seeing much on Futurecast. The chance is certainly not looking nearly as promising as I would have said a couple of days ago here. So about a 20 to 30% chance overnight tonight. And then tomorrow, the best chance will actually be in the southeastern part of the state, possibly in northern Nebraska too. But watching that cold front there, we may see some showers and storms fire up in the afternoon in southeastern portions of Nebraska near that cold front, and then pushing southeastward from there. And most of us will actually see decreasing clouds, though, and a pretty decent day, although a little breezy out there for your Saturday. A little chillier for Saturday night, early Sunday morning, and a very nice Easter Sunday on the way. Storm Prediction Center has many of us under a marginal risk of severe storms with a slight risk across the far southwest. This is more so for this evening and overnight tonight. Again, it's a large area that's covered by this. That said, I think it's going to be very hit or miss, so I'm not expecting a lot of widespread severe weather this evening and overnight tonight. Tomorrow, that threat is off to the southeast. Again, this is a low-end threat. This is later today, more so overnight tonight. Low-end threat, I would say hail is probably your primary threat with any severe storms that develop, but even an isolated tornado cannot be completely ruled out, even though I think that chance is pretty limited. As for tomorrow, again, it's the far southeast with a risk of severe storms tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, a slight risk in the extreme southeast part of Nebraska, and a marginal risk from just south of Omaha to just south of Lincoln to just south of Hebron. And of course, things going on this weekend, including the spring game tomorrow. There's about a 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm during the game that kicks off at 1 o'clock. So something to keep in mind. There is that chance out there in the Lincoln area during the game. Otherwise, nice temperatures, mostly in the 70s during the game. As for the forecast for today, holding on to the 60s where the clouds will remain tough. Maybe a little sunshine out west, getting to the low 70s around Ainsworth and Broken Bow. Mainly a small chance of a morning thunderstorm up north. We'll see decreasing clouds out west and then eventually a small chance of an afternoon thunderstorm. Otherwise, highs will be warmer out west thanks to more sunshine in the 70s to lower 80s. And down in northern Kansas, a little bit warmer but cooler across south central Nebraska with those lingering clouds. That morning chance of thunderstorms. Dry conditions most likely this afternoon. Same thing to the east, a morning chance of thunderstorms, mostly going to be dry this afternoon, but with clouds around, temperatures will be held back just a bit. Now going through the weekend, again, the majority of us dry. Again, that chance of storms across the southeast, otherwise pretty pleasant. A little chillier Sunday morning, though. If you're heading to early morning sunrise service, it will be on the chilly side, at least kind of chilly out there, around 40 degrees. Return chance of showers and storms late Sunday night to Monday morning. A number of hit or miss chances of showers and storms. They're very tough to predict at this point here as forecast models kind of all over the place with the timing of these chances Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Right now, I would say when it comes to model consistency, it's looking like the best chance may come in overnight Monday night. But with the additional clouds around and the chances of rain, most of us will be kind of stuck in the 60s for highs. Again, this is something we'll kind of have to figure out and play it by ear as we get a little bit closer, because as we're seeing, even with the forecast in the next 24 hours, it is a tough forecast. So try forecasting 4, 5, 6 days out, 7 days out. It gets pretty tough, but there are going to be chances. We'll keep that active weather pattern around for much of next week. So there you go. There is your forecast for the upcoming holiday weekend and next week. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klindeski. Hope you all have a great weekend and a happy Easter.